Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have another unboxing video for you guys today. As you can see here, it's from Pack Rats Collectibles or AmmoGarand.com. If you've been watching my videos, I'm pretty sure you know what this is. Alright guys, so as you can see here, these are actually your M1 Garand Enbloc clips. So these are required in order, or not necessarily required, but if you want to use all 8 of your rounds, then these will definitely help out. So looks like they're already in some grease. Maybe I should have bought some gloves to wear with this. But this is a 10-pack. I believe I paid like $12 for them. I wanted to get the 20-pack, but they didn't have them in stock. But this will be enough for me in the meantime. If I recall correctly, the belts that they were issued in World War II. Oh, that's a good sound. So if I recall correctly, the belts that they issued out in World War II, they actually held 10 clips each. So it would go around your waist and each one of those pockets would hold 10 clips. But here they are. There's a little bit of grease on them. I'm assuming that's to prevent rust while they're in storage. And these do appear to be brand new or never been used. So I'm not sure if there's a top or bottom, but there's one and there's 2 little dots, each opposite ends of each other. And that seems to be it. But super excited to get these so I can finally shoot the Garand without having to do a single load every single time like it's a bolt action. Thanks for watching, guys. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Stay safe.